Okay, fine. So welcome back to this very important video. And in this video, I'm going to talk about how you'll be connecting your Shopify with Klaviyo. So I'm a huge fan of doing automation with Klaviyo when it comes to email marketing for e-commerce site. Let us see this demo how we can connect it. So we're going to work on a lot of things. We're going to make sure that email marketing has to be done in a proper way when it comes to e-commerce sites. Right. So you can see that I'm on my dashboard as of now. This is one of my store. And what we have to do is we have to connect Klaviyo with the store. So let's see this quickly how this happens. So let's see, you can see that there are a lot of applications. You can see it here, applications. So what we'll do is we'll search for Klaviyo. So what you can do is you can see that these are applications which I've used in my store. So you can see with apps, see more. So let's click here, see more. And what we'll do is we'll put this, we'll search for Klaviyo application. It's for very good for email automation. So I've been using a lot of email softwares when it comes to e-commerce marketing. So start from active campaigns or MailChimp, but Klaviyo is one of the email marketing software which I really love when it comes to creating segments or lists and automations. So you can see that. So we'll search for Klaviyo. You see that there are a lot of applications here, and we'll search for Klaviyo. So you can say this is a search option. We'll go to Klaviyo. Klaviyo. We can see here Klaviyo, search for Klaviyo. And what we'll do is we'll try to integrate this with our store, right? You can see that they do have a free plan available here. We're going to use it for free as of now. This is just for demonstration purpose. And then what you have to do is you have to add app. You see that grow your business with email and SMS marketing automation. So they do have paid plan as well. Feel to try, and you will get everything here about this app and support. You can go through the full description, and you can see that this software is can be integrated with a lot of other third-party tools as well. So you can see that Zendex is very good for CRM, Facebook advertising. This is again so important if you want to build audiences within Facebook. So a lot of things you can see that, and you can check the pricing part as well. You can check reviews. You see the lot of reviews, and I personally done a lot of work with Klaviyo, and that's why I'm recommending this. And that's why we are talking about Klaviyo masterclass. Automating email marketing is very important. Someone coming to your site and then adding product to a cart. We just want to make sure that we should be sending some emails depending upon their behaviors or actions they're taking on the website. So you can see that looks good. And what we're going to do is we're going to click here, which is install app. We can see that install app. And then what we need to do is we need to create an account with Klaviyo. So we are just installing this application. Nice, you can see that. And I need to put my username and password. Okay, so now you can see that I've done with that integration. Now I'll do some basic setup now. So sender email address, I'll put this. So you can see that they're giving us a lot of options. Just grow my audiences, build relationship, earn more revenue. I'm just exploring. You just select any of these roles, no matter. So let's say, for example, I want to grow my audiences. So I'll select here. You can select any of these options, no problem. And then what you need to do is you need to confirm an email. So I'll just do that activity as well. Okay, so you can see that. So I'm getting some offer from Klaviyo, and what I need to do is I need to just confirm this email. It's all done. And then you can see that create welcome series flow. So this is again very important. Welcome series is very important. I'll tell you that when we send emails, we do have a lot of series. So welcome series, these are the sequences of email you will send when someone is registering on your website the first time. This is just like introductory messages or email templates that we'll send to our customers to build relationship. We're gonna tell them who we are, what our objective, what we're gonna send them. So all those things we need to tell them. So this is so important. So now you can see that this is a free account which I've used as of now. Create welcome series. We'll do that in coming videos. I'm going to click on skip option. And then if you want to create, you can create that as well. And Klaviyo is a fantastic tool. You see a lot of things can be done. It's going to start with performance, analytics, list and segments, activity feed. It's going to have campaigns. So we need to create campaigns and depending upon the action visitors are taking on my website. Flows, we'll talk about how you're going to create amazing flows so that you will start building relationship with your client. You can see that welcome series. This is abandoned cart. This is browse abandoned. This is customer thank you. This is product review cross sell, and this is customer win back. A lot of options you're going to have. when we talk about Klaviyo. So one thing which is very important is segmentation is something very, very important, because not all customers who are coming to your website, they're taking different actions, and we need to make sure that we should be putting them into different bucket, right? So that is something very important. Someone who has made a purchase, we're going to send them a thank you message. Someone who added product to a cart, so we're going to send them a message with an offer that, okay, fine, you have added some product to your cart, why didn't you buy? So we want to help them to make informed decisions. Email templates, you can see that a lot of email templates are here. SMS, we'll talk about list and segmentations, we'll talk about profiles, we'll talk about analytics, we'll talk about integrations, we're going to talk about catalog, we'll talk about all these things in coming videos. So make sure that go to your Shopify store, add Klaviyo, and make sure that you check my coming videos as well, because I'm going to make sure that I will add a lot of value in my coming videos, and I just want to make sure that you should make money from the e-commerce store. Fine, till then, take care, bye bye. Let's dream big and take action. I wish you all the best.